Hey guys, welcome back to SM Locks. I'm Scott, and tonight this evening we're going to carry on with the Fistful of Dimples pass-around set for uklocks.co.uk. The one I've got in the device just now is a 6-pin Tecon. Has got a working key. There's the button for it. So hopefully we can get this picked and gutted. I would like to apologise for not posting anything for about a week and a half. I injured my hand a fortnight ago working on the car, and I've been struggling to pick, so let's see if we can actually get into a lock today and get it gutted. So yeah, let's see how we go. I'm going to use the number 5 from the hook set. I'm using the Z-bar, the fixed Z-bar as well. So yeah, so nothing on 1, 2 is binding, click on 2, nothing on 3 or 4, 5's binding, click on 5, nothing on 6, nothing on 5, 4, absolutely nothing at all. I've got a feeling that there may be assa pins in here just with the way it bound up there. I'm going to swap to the number 3 for the hook set. So again, nothing on 1, 2 is binding, click on 2, nothing on 3 or 4, 5's binding, click on 5, nothing on 6, 4, 3's binding, I think, 3's binding, oh, click on 3 there and we're into a deep false set. So back in, pin 1. I'm getting counter rotation, it's not going any further. We'll swap to the number 2, I'm going to pick it for the other side. The way I was picking it, I was picking the way I was turning the pick was clockwise, the same as the way I'm tensioning it. So obviously all the force is going that way, so we'll see if I can pick with the opposite flag. So I'll be turning the pick counterclockwise, but I'll still be tensioning clockwise. So let's see how we do. So 1's binding. And is that 1? No. I just dropped something. I think that was 1 set there. Pin 5 had dropped to the back. Pin 3 had dropped as well. Back into that deep false set. Pin number 4 binding now, I think. Something's bound up tight. Let's be on pin 6. I'll click on 6 there. That was 5. Back in. Nothing on 6. 5, 4, 3. Start again. Right. Nothing on 1, 2's binding. Click on 2. Click on 5. Nothing again. Right. 2, 5. There's another click on 5 there. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2. Right. Click on 2, click on 5. Just make sure everything's back up. Right, try again. 2, and then click on 2, and little click on 3, nothing on 6, nothing on 5, little click on 3 again, little click on 1, click on 3, no. 2, 5, 3, 3 again, 5, right, 3. We're in a deep false set again. Back to the other side. Right, so we'll go for pin 1. Oh, and they're open. So that's open. Sorry about the time it took for the pick that there. I'm still struggling with feeling in my hand, but yeah, it's just trying to get the tension and stuff right on the lock when I'm picking. So yeah, but we'll get this one gutted. Let's see what's inside. I'm pretty sure it's assa pins the way it was catching up. Especially when they were dropping, I wasn't getting any feedback for them. So well, not that I could feel it could be because the way my hand is, but who knows. So, but it's open, so we'll get it gutted and see what's inside. We'll put in my tweezers, plug folder, pardon me, screwdriver to take that clip off, and I think that's all we're going to need. But I will move this to the centre of the frame, and we will zoom. I'm already zoomed in all the way I can. Fantastic. We'll gut it and then I'll get you a close up of what's inside. So I'm trying to get this. I can close it up because I've got a key for this one. Ooh, it's going to bleed. I think it's going to bleed. Clips off. Finally. So dump the key pins. So that's all the key pins dumped out, and they all look standard. Yeah, they're all standard. Right, so we'll see what's in the top half, well, the Bible. So, spool in 1, assa pin in 2, I was right, evil pins, absolute evil, assa in 3, spool in 4, assa in 5, and a spool in 6. So I'm not going to bother checking the springs because they're standard locks, there's no been made up as challenge locks or anything, so yeah. But I will take the camera, turn autofocus back on. So yeah, that'll be the microphone. So there you go. Up top, 1, 4 and 6 are spools, 2, 3 and 5 are assa pins, and everything, well, all the key pins are standard. So yeah, so that was a bit harder than the MCM. I don't know if it's just the way my hand is or what, but yeah, so fun picking again. But thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you've got any comments, comment below. Any suggestions, comment below. And if you want to catch the rest videos, subscribe and turn on notifications and you'll get them when I upload. So thanks for watching guys, see you again soon.